Welcome to Godwin Tech. In this video tutorial, I'm going to walk you through on how you can create folders on a laptop. Okay, this is the desktop section of my laptop. You can create folder on this laptop, and this laptop runs Windows 11 operating system. So irrespective of the OS your own laptop runs, you can create folder in it. So I will start this teaching by walking you through on how you can create folder in the major folders of a laptop. Okay, so the first step is to access the file explorer. So look at the file explorer icon pinned at the taskbar, click on it for it to open. So as you click on that, you hold on for the explorer to get opened. Alright, it has opened right now. So let me maximize it so I can see it more clearly. Alright, on this explorer there are some major folders created by default. These are the folders that appear under the quick access section. You can see desktop, downloads, documents, pictures, music, videos. These are the major folders in this PC. So to access each of these folders, you click on it. For example, desktop. I've just clicked on desktop and I will hold on for the desktop to open. Okay, as desktop folder opens, I can take a further step by creating some folders inside of it. Okay, so this is the desktop folder right now. It is already opened. So if I want to create a folder here, I can right click inside of it. When I right click, I will be shown some options. Okay, look at one of the options here is new. So click on new, then select folder. Alright, so the folder will show up telling us to insert a new name. You can see new folder is the default name. But type any name of your choice you want this folder to be identified with. Example, let's say education. Alright, and let me make it capital. So I'll press the cap block. Education. Okay, after typing the name of the folder, press the enter key of your PC keyboard. Alright, the name becomes saved. Alright, likewise all these other folders, if I want to create any new folder on the downloads, the same step, right click, select new, go on with folder, and then type the name of the folder. After typing the name, hit the enter key of your PC keyboard. The name will be saved. Okay, if I want to create a folder in picture, music, or in video, just click on each of the major folders for them to open first. Then right click inside and then select new, then go on to folder and then type the folder name. Let's say learning. Alright, after typing the folder name, hit the enter key. Alright, so that is just all you need to take, all the steps you need to take, and the folders are created. If you want to create a folder on desktop and you don't want to go through the file explorer, once you power on your system, your PC, your machine, the first place you are landed on is on the desktop section. So I can decide, okay, to create a folder on this desktop. And what will I do? I'll right click on the desktop, any part of the desktop, select the option for new, create folder. Alright, click on folder and type the name of the folder. Let's say information. Alright, an example. Then after giving the folder any name of your choice, hit the enter key. The folder name is saved. Okay, though this folder is here, I can drag it to any part of my screen I want to find it. All I need is to get the cursor to that position of the folder, press down the button, and that's the left button of my mouse. Alright, then drag to any position I want to have it and drop it there. That's all. Okay, so these are just the few steps you need to take to create any folder of your choice in your laptop. I hope this video helps. Do want to subscribe to my channel, like the video, leave a comment if you want to, and you are good to go. Thank you and stay good, and thank you for watching once again.